Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on a laptop. First, you will need to acquire the game through a legitimate digital storefront. Among Us is readily available for purchase on PC, ensuring you get the official and most up-to-date version. Before buying, quickly check your laptop specifications to confirm it meets the minimum requirements for a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. This ensures optimal performance. Once you have purchased Among Us, the next step is to download and install it. Your chosen platform will guide you through this process, typically involving just a few clicks. The installation is usually quick, taking only a few minutes. After it is complete, you can easily launch the game from the new icon on your desktop or directly from your game library. You are now ready to set up your player profile. Playing Among Us on a laptop is intuitive with keyboard and mouse controls. You will use the W, A, S, D keys for movement, navigating your character around the map. To interact with tasks, doors, or other objects, simply press the E key or click your mouse. The Tab key brings up your map, showing your current location and tasks. Remember to use the R key to report bodies or call an emergency meeting. To play with others, select the online option from the main menu. You can choose to join a public game with up to 15 players or enter a 4-letter code to join a private match with friends. If you prefer, host your own game and customize settings such as imposter count and task difficulty. Share your unique private lobby code with your friends to invite them directly into your game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.